Good girl, Maggie. Miss Maggie. Miss Maggie, right? She's swimming, swimming, swimming. Good job. Good
Girl, Miss Maggie.
Good
Come this way and I'll
girl.
hold you a minute. There we go.
Good girl, Maggie.
Good girl.
Yay,
That's hard
Maggie.
work. Come on, Mamita.
Good girl. Maggie, can you say hi to Mommy and Daddy?
Say hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Good job,